little bit. Okay, so I see most not here. Rahman, you okay? Come, Shafi'i, Raihana, Shafika, come turn on the video. Okay, so if you are from the normal academic stream, you work, and if you are using this book, this is the express one. A normal academic will have NA on it, academic on it. So we will start with that. Come, let us try. This is going to be a little bit challenging, but let us try. I think you should be able to do it. We try this one first. Okay, let's see now. 1/2 x plus 3/4x. Let's see whether can you do it. Can do it, great. You can leave your answer as an improper fraction, no problem. Improper fraction means the top number is bigger than the smaller number. Can we see? Can you do it? Shafika, come. Shafika, are you there? So fast, use this one. My laptop, okay lah. I don't know what to do. You have your own laptop, huh? Very. Adik Shafika, you got your own laptop? No, abang only got. Okay, never mind. Your laptop is not working. Your camera, please send me the answers. Okay, we have our son coming in. Okay. Okay, well done, Miss Raihana. Raihana, you're improving quite a bit. So, but the x have to be at the center. So you put the x with the 5. Okay, not with the 4. I'll explain in a moment. We try another one now down here. We can do question number 2. Well done, Shafika. But just as the same thing as I mentioned to Raihana, your x have to be with the 5, not with the other number, because the x has to be on top. When you see down here like that, means the x is on top. 1/2 x means the x with the 1, You know. 3/4 x means the x is with the 3, not with the 4. Remember that. So your x got to be with the top number, not with the bottom number. Can? Asan, you give a 1 and 1/4 x. Okay. Rahman, okay. So how you write 1/4? Can also lah. Can also. You write that. Can also lah. Okay, it's not wrong. But maybe it's better to write. Yes, Rahman, well done. Shafi'i, well done. So now down here, let me just show those of you who have not. You change this, you get 2/4, right? So you get 5/4x. Now, when you write answer, you either write that, but do not write the x as down here. I know when you send me an answer, if you send me an answer out, you must write like that, because the x belongs to the top. You try the next one, please. Try the next one. Warahana. How you get 21? 21, Rahana cannot. 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 3, 24. Shafika, let's see. Shafika, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3. Hold on. Shafika. I think your calculation also not right. Shafika, your answer is not correct. Raihana, your answer is not. Raihana, I think you go in plus. Minus lah, Raihana down here. Also another one who Asan, well done. I think you got the answer correct. But Asan, your y is supposed to be on top, not below. Why you put your y below? I know you are saying it's at the center, but we cannot see it's the center. Rahman, well done. Rahman. Okay, so we get what do you get? Just write on here. You get 24 over here. Minus you get 24 over here. Yes, Shafika, well done. Then you have 21 y. Down here 8 y. You minus 8, you get 13 over 24. You can write it at the center or you can write it at the top. Remember, it's the same thing, but at the bottom is different. So I think more or less you are okay. So we are now getting ready to go into this. Okay, so now I want you to see certain words. This is actually, I was asking my student last time. She's in Sec 3 now. Okay, you see this word coefficient. Coefficient means what? It means the number in front of the x. So number in front of the a is half. So half is coefficient. The number in front of the a is 1/6. That's a coefficient. So if I say 8x house, 8x, what is the coefficient? So coefficient is 8 lah, because we are looking at a number in front. If I say x/3, what's the coefficient? Can you send me answer now? X/3. I want to know what's the coefficient of x/3. I repeat, send your answer for the coefficient of x/3. Remember what is coefficient? Is the number before the x. Okay, Super Wonder Twins are coming in now. What is the coefficient? Ow, ya Allah. Yeah, I told you. Yeah, like this, I don't know. This one, I think the Eternals. Okay, Inshira and Zaira, you're like Eternals. But I heard it's a gay movie, so I don't know. Okay, what is the coefficient of x/3? Come on. What is the number in front? See, there's no number in front. There is a number in front. You can write it in a different way. Come. Inshira and Zahira, coefficient means the number in front. So now I give you this number x/3. What is the coefficient? Come on. No one. Asan, cannot Asan. Here, come on here. You can do it. Shafika, don't, Rahman, sorry, it's not answer. Shafika, don't look around. I see you looking at. You know, there was once that story of this lady, I was told by my teacher. My teacher is whose father founded one of the madrasa. You know which one is it, right? So he was telling me the story of this lady just before dying. He said, a very nice place. It's a very nice place. And then after she take a empty, the thing says, come eat the chicken. She already can see the other side. No. Inshira, no. Zahira, Inshira, no. Rahman, no. Come on, what is the coefficient? Okay, that means you don't understand what I'm talking about. So, Hassan, no. Anyone, Shafi'i, Bang Shafi'i, come on. The guy with the laptop on, you can do it. What is the number in front? You must be able to answer this.
I don't understand.
Okay, now. So we have to go back here. Okay. So sister no understand. So what is coefficient? Coefficient means what? Let's say I say 3x. What is the coefficient on here? Is 3. If I say 4/7x. This one, what is coefficient? 4/7. But that's why I give you the question x/3. What is the coefficient? You say don't know. Why don't you write it in another way? Can you write it in another way? This is something x, 1x, you know. This is 1/3x. What is the coefficient? Now you say you know. Now you say 1/3. So the coefficient is 1/3. You get it or not? As I said, you can write this now. How can you write it? You can write it like that, no? You can write because this x belongs to the top. So if I ask you what's the coefficient of this, you must write 4/7. You understand? Understand, huh? So now we're going to do this one now. Shafika, I hope you understand, Shafika. So now I'm going to give you my own question first. Okay, write the coefficient of this. Sorry. Salah. Excellent. What is the coefficient of this number? Very easy. This is number 1. I give you 2 questions. You cannot answer 2 questions. What is the coefficient of this number? So there's 2 questions that I see. Wow, everyone was correct. Rahman, Hassan, Inshira, Zahana, Rahana, Rahman, Rahana, Hassan, Shafika. What was Shafi'i? He said, my camera is not working. Okay lah, camera not working. Come. Okay, so far all correct. 7/3. This one is 1/5 because you can write it as 1/5. Well done. Okay, now we move on. Oh, sorry, Hayan has given me the answer down here. Shafika, well done. Let me just see Hayan's answer now. Just a moment. Ian, well done, Ian. Congratulations. Okay, I forgot that you. So now, can you now? They ask you to simplify ABC, the expressions. This is your first chapter of those who are using discovery. Okay, just to warm yourself up. A, B, and C, just give your answer. Anyone? Easy, yeah. First one, they're not asking you for coefficient. This one, they ask you to find what is the expression. Can or not? You all know how to do or not? Very easy, right? No answer so far. You can send your ABC. We are doing ABC, okay? Okay, first answer. Shafika, well done. But Shafika, the X must be on top, not below. Zahira, yeah, don't give me the coefficient. Reduce it to lowest terms. Where is the X? You have to have the X. I didn't ask you for coefficient. I just explained to you what coefficient is. But the question is not asking you to give the coefficient. Just give the answer. Okay, yes. So your X is on top or below? If it's on top, must put it as on top. Well done, Rahman. First one to give me the correct answer. Well done. Asan, mistake somewhere. Can or not? Okay, so I will go through the first one. Very easy, very easy. You can put 1 over 8 x plus 3 over 8. So you get what? 4 over 8, right? So 4 over 8x. Zahira, yours and Inshira, there's no x there. So you reduce the lower term, you get half x. So you either write it as half x or you can write it as x over 2. Remember, the x belongs to the top part. So don't write like that, Don't write 1 over 2x. This is wrong. I know you are saying, but the x belongs to the center, but you in sending an answer, there's no center. Right? You only top and bottom. So this one is not correct. So how to write it? You write it on top. How to write it on top? 1x, 1x is x over 2. For question number 1. Question number 2, let's see now. Inshira and Zahira, you got to check your answer again. Rayhana, Rahman, let's see. Rahman, congratulations. Rayhana can reduce the 4 and 6 can reduce, divide by 2. Asan, 4 and 6 can divide by 2. Okay, the next one now, let's see. 12. Asan, your last one is correct. Your B is also correct. Okay, what about the rest? Come on, what about the rest? Shafika, where are you, Shafika? Shafika, come. Rahman, well done for your C. So just give me a moment. We are going through the rest, okay? Okay, down here, very easy. You change to 3 over 6. 3 over 6 plus 1 over 6 is 4 over 6. But don't leave your answer like that. You have to reduce it to lowest terms. Divide by 2, divide by 2. 2 third A. So you can write it like that, or you can also write it like this, 2A over 3. Why? Because the A belongs to the top, not to the bottom. This one now, you times 4, you times 3, you get 12. So times 4, you get 4 over 12 C. Minus times 3, you get 15 over 12 C. How to do? Just take bigger number minus smaller number. 15 minus 4 is 11 over 12C. But the sign must follow the bigger number. So the sign is minus, follow the bigger number. That's it. Okay, well done, Inshira and Zahira. So easy, this is your first, I think the first page. So you know already what to do. We don't need to go further. We don't need to do all this. Now what we need to do is this one now. Can you try question A, B, and C? You try A first. I hope you can see the screen. Be careful, especially with question B. When you have the negative, you better use the brackets. But I leave it to you. Yeah, I also am gonna do. I don't have this book. The first one, let us see. Well done, Rahman, for the first one. Congratulations. Can you move on to the second one? Well done, Hassan, for the first one. Can you move on to the second one? Well done, Inshira and Zahira. Rahana, you got to check. How do you get X and 14? You got to check. This one you got to times 2, no? When you times 2, top must times 2. 2 times 2x times 2, 4x. 5 times 2 is 10. So please check. Okay, I will show the first one very soon. What about Shafika? What about Shafiq? Ian, what about Ian? All right. Oh, I forgot to record it. Record it. Okay, I'm going to go through the first one. So have a look. See, what do I do? This one you have to times by 2. Well done, Rahman. But the answer is wrong. There's a mistake. There's a mistake. Very close. Okay, notice what I do. Notice the method I do. Okay, have a look, have a look, have a look. You need 2 times 2, right? I want you to bracket it up like that. And then put a 2 in front. Especially when you do for this one. So that you don't make error. So down here now, we write it down now. we can join them down here. There is Inshira, Zaira still, this is for the next one. Next one is wrong. I can combine them under one denominator. So this one will be what? 3x minus 4. Then my plus, so I put a 2 in front like that. So 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. And then I can times it out lah. 3x. 3x. Minus 4. 2 times 2, 4x plus 4x. Okay. And then next one, 2 times 5, 10 plus 10. Can you see here? So now what do? I combine the letters and to the letters. So I must circle the sign in front. 3x here, I include 4x here. So this one is 7x already. 7x is not other answer, not x. And then number 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. Is it positive or negative? Follow the bigger one. The bigger one is plus, put a plus. Okay. And this is over 4. All right, you try. For the next one so far, let me see who has gotten. Hassan, your answer is not correct. Almost close. So far, no one has gotten question. The one who's closest is actually Rahman, but he made a mistake somewhere. Okay, can we try question B now? All of us, you all try question B. Can?
Hey.
Yeah.
How you get plus 6 for plus 6?
Plus 6. You see down here? This, okay, I use a different color. I use green. Down here, there's plus 10. You got $10. You minus $4. So you got $6 left. Can you see now? You must remember the sign is in front, of the number. Sign is in front. Okay, let's see here whether Hian got the answer for question number. Okay, 7 plus 6 Hian correct, but over 7x plus 6 over 4. Yes, over 4. Oh, you deleted already. Okay, what about the next one now? Try. If not, I will explain. Yes, over 4, well done. Okay, give you another 2 minutes. Otherwise, I will have to explain question B. Rahana, let us see whether you're correct. First term is correct. The bottom term is correct. The second term is not correct. But your answer is the same as Asan. So that means some of you all are making the same error. So I'm very curious, what is the error? One minute more. Find out where's your mistake. So you're doing C already. I have not done C lah. I'm focusing. Okay. I want you now to look at B first. Everyone look at B. Focus. You find your mistake. No one has gotten B correct, So let us see now. Where is your mistake? Remember, I like to use this bracket because it's safe. So down here, you need to what? Times 6. Down here, you need to times 5. So what do? I would bracket it up like that. I'll put it all under very close, Rahman, but still have not yet. Look, 5 times 6, I get 30. So I put the whole thing over 30. Down here must times 6, right? So I bracket up like that. I put 6 in front. Down here times 5, right? I bracket it up. I put 5 in front. So I will write it like this. 6, 3x plus 1. Okay. Then there's a minus here, right? Okay, hold on, Shafika. Minus 5. Why 5? Because in times 5, I put the 5 in front. Okay. Then bracket 4x minus 3. Okay. So now you times out now. 6 times 3, 18x. I'll just put equal like that. Now. The whole thing is over 30. Notice I already combined them already. Okay. 6 times 3, 18x. Okay. Okay, here, let's see. 6 times 1 is 6. Come on, Zahira. What are you doing, Zahira? Very tired. Just come back. Okay. 5 times 4, 20. Leave me alone lah, please lah. I just watched Spider-Man, yeah. That's why I dressed as Spider-Man. Okay then, 5 times 3, 15 now. Do you get this sign correct or not? Minus times minus, must be plus. Notice, this is minus times plus. Minus. Minus times minus is plus. So I suggest you do the method like this. You need to times 5, put the bracket, put the 5 in front. You need to times 6, bracket it up, put the 6 in front. It makes it clearer. So now how? Look at the x now. This is 18x. This is minus 20x. 18 minus 20 is how much? 18 minus 20 is minus 2x. Oh, yeah. And then next one, you have $6. You have $15. Altogether, you got $21. You get it now. Okay, I hope you get it over 30. So, Rahman, you got it very close, Rahman. But some of the, you made a mistake in the signage. Okay, let's try the next one. You times by 5. You times, okay, I'm just going through, you see whether it's correct. Okay, you all try the last one. So, Rahman, now you have given the answer. Asan's answer is different. So you all do this method like that. Put the 5 in front. Like this how? You take the 2 times 3. What do you get? You get 6. Like that. Okay, then plus 2 is separate. So you try to expand now. What do you get? Okay, I'm gonna check now. Okay, I'm gonna remove the thing now so that you can see and go. Sophia, we're doing question number C, Sophia. Okay, let's check. Who has gotten it correct? Raihana, good try, but so sorry, it's not the answer. Rahman, sorry, is not answer. Asan is not answer. No one has got an answer. Hey, come on, guys. You can do this. You can do this. Come on, come on. You try. You try. Use the method I taught you step by step. We give you another 1 minute more before I go through. You can do this. You can do this. Just give me a moment. Let me see. Anyone else got answer now? Okay, here has sent answer. Here, and I got to believe that you will get the right answer. Let us see. So far, here also didn't get the right answer. Okay, let us check. Maybe I got the wrong answer. Maybe. Is it possible? Of course, it's possible that I might get the wrong answer. So let us now write down the question. Here. You want the denominator to be the same. So how to do? This one is 2 over 1. You know, right? 2 whole is 2 over 1. So now what you're going to make it as 10, right? You times by 5. This one you times by 2. How to make the denominator the same? Oh, you times by 10, become 10. Times by 10, so I've got 20. That's the first thing. Now you can put them all in under the same denominator. Why? Because all of them got 20 as the denominator. So you put the 5 in front of here, see? Put the 5 in front. 5. So you write it 5 down here. Notice step by step, you follow this step, you'll be safe. Okay, this is the Siratul Mustaqim. You know what's meaning of Siratul Mustaqim? Allah said the straight path. So their path that's crooked. Then this one how? This one is minus, no, down here. Okay, we put the minus. Then this one got 3, you know. Remember what you do? Times 2. So you must times 2. Oh, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Okay, you times 2. Let us see whether you all will get it right. Oh, sorry. Like that. I made a mistake. So embarrassing. Let's see how many of you got it correct. And then the last one, plus 20. See where you get 20 from? Don't get confused. It's from 2 over 1. 2 over 1, I want to make the denominator what? 10 what? I want it to be the same. So I times by 10. If I times the bottom by 10, I must times the top by 10. So it becomes 20. Okay, let's see. Let's see whether you're right or not. So now the next one. Okay. Wow. But a lot of your answers all are different. 5 times 2 is what? 5 times 2 is 10x. Right? Am I correct? Times 5, 10x. Okay, good. And then 5 times 3 is 15. How come the thing was so different? Hold on. I did mentally. Times 5, right? 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. Okay, and then after that, hold on. Down here now is 6 times x, 6x minus minus 6 times 1 minus 6. Be careful. It must be minus 6. Okay, did I make a mistake? Anyone? Please tell me. You know that we all can make a mistake. I made a mistake or not? Please tell me. 5 times 2, 10x. 5 times 3, 15 minus 6 times x, 6x minus 6 times 1, 6 minus, because plus and minus, and then plus 20. So now what do we do? Just group the same one together. Remember to include the sign in front. You see 10x. This is a plus or minus. If there's no sign, means it's plus. 10x minus 6x. 10x minus 6x is how much? Is 4x. Okay, well done. So some of you all are getting it already. So okay, I write the answer here. Is 4x. Okay, and then minus 15 minus 6. You owe $15. You owe $6. You owe $21. You owe $21, but you have $20. So you pay up your loan. $20 you pay up. You still utang $1. Oh yes, Mr. Hassan, I think you got it. Over 10. So Hassan has got it. Okay, let's see who got the right answer now. Hassan, congratulations. Rahman, congratulations. Rahman sent an answer twice. Okay, well done. Those of you got it correct. Anyone don't understand? Zaira, you understand, Zaira? You understand? You got to be very careful. Okay, so I want you now use this method. Use the bracket. Put if times 5, put the 5 in front. Some times 2, you times this number by 2, you get 6. Never mind, no problem. Put 6 around here. Okay, never mind. We try again. Okay, it will take some time, but you got to attempt it lah. You got to attempt it. Husna Shafika, your answer is not correct. But good try lah. Good try. Let us see whether our answer is correct. There, the answer is correct. Can see now? 4x minus 1. Right? Is that the answer? Hassan? Am I correct? Yeah, 4x minus 1 over 10. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Now let us see what they do. See, they did the same thing down here. What they have already done for us. Alhamdulillah, very good. Who is this? Textbook, of course. So now 10 and 10. So down here, there's now we need to times by what? You look here. 5, we need to times by 2. So you times this by 2 or 3 times 2. This one you need to times by 5, right? So you times by 5. You put the bracket, put the 5 in front. 2 is 2 over 1. So you must times by 10. So become 20 over 10. Exactly the same thing I'm doing. Then you combine everything under one denominator. Okay? And it times out. That's why you must know the expansion. We have practiced enough on expansion and factorization and simplification already. Now is the time to score already. Okay, we try one only lah. C. Can? We try the C. Inshi, okay not Inshi? You look like Yoda lah Inshi. Inshi, you are in Star Wars eh? Star Wars eh? May the force be with you. Inshi, you watch Spider-Man already, Inshi? Have you watched Spider-Man? No. Sophia, do you watch Spider-Man? No. No one's watched Spider-Man. So yeah, here close lah. It was close here. Good try, good try. Okay, I will start now. Let's see. Who is that? Okay, here we go. Take your time, relax. Right. I'm straight here. Okay, I may be wrong, but please carry on. Please carry on. You need to go toilet, carry on. My answer is different, actually. I think maybe actually you. Oh my goodness. I think I know why. You made a careless mistake. Sophia, sorry, the answer is not there. Okay, I might be wrong. Let's check. Rahman, what's your answer, Rahman? I'm looking for Rahman and Hassan. Soon they might take over the tuition or not. Rahman, can do, no, Rahman? So Inshi, I think you made a mistake in one of the numbers, the signs. What about Sophia? Sophia, your first term is correct. Your denominator is correct. Let us see what happened in Sophia's one. Okay, I have a different answer from Mr. Maybe you check your, what, everyone all different answer. Never mind, we wait for Rahman. Rahman, what's your sign, Rahman? Abdul Rahman. I cannot call you Rahman, you know. Rahman, the merciful. But you can be the merciful, but not the most merciful. Shafika, come on, Shafika. Hey, where's your abang? Laptop not working. Why? Okay, we're going to go through in 1 minute's time. 1 minute's time. Then see what's your mistake. So far, my answer is different for everyone. Hassan, you are confident your answer is correct? Confident? Not confident? Allahu Akbar. Why you say that? Hey, believe in yourself. You must remember you have to believe in yourself. when Allah created a human being, He commanded the angels to bow down because of the power of our brain. Prophet Adam, peace be upon him, was asked to do a presentation. You all do a project work, right? Presentation. So Allah called Nabi Adam, say, come, tell them the name of things. No, about the different creatures and whatnot. Angels couldn't do it. Okay, let's see. Can Hayan get the same answer as I? Hayan, okay, Hayan, you make the same mistake, I believe. Rahman, why don't you remove the bracket, Rahman? Man, remove the bracket. Remove, times it up. Don't go and factorize it. They didn't ask you to. That's not simple for. Okay, here you got the same answer as in Shira. So first attempt. So I'm going to go through. I think Rahman has gotten the right answer. But let us see. But he going to factorize for them. So he's confused now. He already finished. He do not know when, how much should he factorize. Don't factorize. You don't factorize. Factorize means put inside the bracket. Shafika, even the denominator is wrong. Shafika, you got to check. Okay. So now what's the denominator we're going to choose? This one is 1 over 1, right? So yeah, I can make 15 lah, times 5, I times 3, and this one I times what, Shabika? I must times, yes, okay, times 15, okay, your denominator is now correct, Shabika. So must times by 15, must times by 3, must times by, bracket it up, must times by 5. So I rewrite it here. Sophia, what, Sophia? Sophia, I'm watching now. I'm watching. Okay, I'm watching. Okay. Down here. This is the first thing you write, yeah? 5 to 8. You can see, no? Can see, right? Okay. So you write the bracket up, put the 5 in front. Then now minus. There's a minus here. You must times 3 times this 2 by 3. What do you get? 6 over here. Okay. X minus 2. Hold on, the pen suddenly ran out of ink. Of course, it's not that. It's the function. Okay, minus 2. I can smell this people burning stuff. So next one is minus, right? We put minus. Times what? 15. So now become 15. Now the whole thing is over 15, boys and girls. So now let's times it out. Watch. 5 times 2, 10x. Do you get 10x first? 5 times 1, 5. Do you get 5? Now the next one is where most of you, Inshira and who else? Inshira, one else. 6 times x, 6x, minus 6x. And then minus and minus give you plus, Inshi. 6 times 2, 12. That's where your mistake is. And then minus 15. The whole thing now is over 15. Don't forget to put over 15. Now what we do, we group the similar stuff together now. Okay, so you have 10x positive. We cannot see. We have to make a brighter one. Okay, now 10x. Can you see 10x here? Okay, good. This one 10x minus 6x. Okay, most of you got 4x. Most of you, but over 15. But the last one now, you got plus 5, plus 12. 5 plus 12 is 17. You got $17. You minus $15. See, minus $15. You have balance of $2. Congratulations, Mr. Abdul Rahman. But Abdul Rahman got confused. You see, simplest form. I got that thing. Then he did like that. If both of them have 2, can divide by 2. Put. Don't need to do any more like that already, Rahman. You stop down there already. You answer like that. I know you go and do this. Don't need to do this because they didn't ask you to factorize. You stop down here. Unless they tell you to factorize, then you factorize. Anyone's confused or not? No, right? This is within your reach. Remember that. It's within your reach. If at primary 5, primary 6, you were suffering maths, now you're no longer suffering. Now you understand. It may have taken time. Those of you who work extra hard, you will find your improvement comes very fast. Those who are just waiting for tuition, you get practice, but slower . Okay, now we do the next one. Unfortunately, I got no down here. Okay, we are not going to do all this . You can find it in your books. So if you want to buy assessment book, I repeat, don't buy assessment book. Just buy the workbook or the textbook of the other publisher. There's 2 publishers. One is Discovering, the other one is Think. Whatever I'm doing with you, I'm doing from here. Why? Because for assessment book, the checking is not thorough. There's sometimes it's very, very frustrating to do the question because the question is wrong. But this one, in order to publish it as a book, they have to send it to MOE. MOE will check. So before they send, they are very, very safe. They send to so many editors. So you must do the same thing. Go and get this book. If now you're going to Sec 2, you are getting thing, go and buy the, you're in Express, take the Express book. You're in normal academic, take normal academic book. That is what I tell you. Then what else you do? Practice test papers. That's it. It's enough. You don't need assessment book. Throw away the assessment book because the assessment book may not be good. That's why sometimes you feel very frustrated. You do some sums, cannot solve. Okay, now down here. You see the word equation. Equation means must have equal. You can find the value. Can you try now? This one, we try this one. Can see very big, right? You can see, right? You try this one, question A. Question A, Shafika, come back, right, Shafika, this girl. Where she go, this girl? Rayana, I know you put your hand out. Rayana, where are you, Rayana? Rayana is proving, but we are feeling bored lah. Can you tell us a story? No story, you're in Sec 2 already. Still one story. Correct, right, Inshira? You shouldn't have any stories, right? Sophia, I feel as if you're wearing the niqab. No? Yours is camera versus niqab. So why you do that? Say, I'm sorry, Mr. Shahid, because I think you might fall for me. Hey, hello. I'm not gonna fall for you, lah. Okay, come. Let's try. Come on. I really am. Oh man. Guys, try this one. You're supposed to solve. Solve means what? Find out what X is. Oh, so fast, huh? Who is this? Oh, let us see. Yeah. Rahman, he has given an answer. Is he correct? And most certainly he is correct. Congratulations, Mr. Rahman. Very fast, huh? Because we already practiced. Asan also, hey, you see the two new students are faster than you all. Buat malu lah. You see, then the two students will say, hey, the longer we learn with this teacher, the slower we become. We just attend 1-2 lessons, we better stop. Maybe I do not know. Hasan. And okay, Hasan and Abdul Rahman, please try question B, or as they call it in Indonesia, bear. You know what they call C, right? Te. And you say te. Oh, letter C, is it? Okay, come on. Oh, Ian went out and come in. Zahira, Inshira, well done. I'm looking, I think Inshira is doing, Zahira is eating. Dia makan soup ke apa? Zahira, you're not doing it, Zahira. Yeah. Come on lah. Oh, Abdul Rahman, you are. See, Abdul Rahman now doing okay. Inshira, you do question B then. Hasan done already, right? Hasan done. Okay, you do question B, yeah, Hasan. Well done, Rahman. Well done. See, Rahman, now he's going to feel bored, you know. Shafika, where are you, Shafika? Rahman, Abdul Rahman, are you feeling bored? This is too easy for you already, yeah? Too easy already, yeah? See, normally students will answer, is it too easy? Just. Sophia, the answer is not correct. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step how to do question number 1. If you have not done question number 1, who have not done? We know there's 2 students not done. They are siblings. Okay, who are they? You know who they are. Okay, here we go. X, cannot see here. Rahman, just be patient, Abdul Rahman. We'll come to X minus 3. Watch, those of you who do not know how to do A. So what to do? Sophia, what to do, Sophia? Get rid of the 4. What to do? Times 4 on the left side. When you times 4, you can cancel, you see? Get 1 lah. So times 4 on the left side means you must times 4 on the right side. No wonder lah you all cannot participate. You are in the dark walking lah. Macam mana lah? Ni buat tuition apa ni? Going ronda-ronda all over. I know it's holidays. Tapi tuition time, she watch tuition things. Okay, never mind, up to you. Okay, so down here you times by 4. You times by 4. You get 28. Then now you want to bring the minus 3 over. Become plus 3. 28 plus 3, 31. Okay. I hope you all are right. Well done, Muhammad Hassan. So the next one, I'm going to show you how to do the next one. Okay, very simple now. First of all, for me, I'm distracted by this. So how to get it? I tell you the shortcut is you just bring it over that side. But you say, Alamak, what is this? Okay lah, you want to know how to do it? You times this by negative 1. Because x over 6 times 1 is x over 6. But minus times minus give you plus. Now you have like that, x over 6. And if you times by the minus 1, you times by minus 1 here also. Becomes what? Minus 2 over 7. Now how to get rid of the 6? You times 6 over 1 lah, like that. Why you times 6 over 1? See, I can cancel. So you must also times 6 over 1. So what do you get? 2 times 6, 12. Minus 12 over 7. X is equals to minus 12 over 7. And Hassan change it to mixed number. Hassan, you this one no need to do mixed number lah. Okay, you don't need to do that, but you do like that, it's correct also. Okay, this is also accepted. Normally for fractions they allow it that way for algebra. Okay, so I hope this is okay. Let's see, we try now. Yeah, they tell you down here, can you see that? You times by 4, you times by 6, minus 6. Okay, but let us see now. Can you see what I just told you? Down here. You times this by 4, times by 4, then you minus exactly what I told you lah. Okay, you times, but I times by minus 6 straight. For me, I times by minus 1 first. Okay, you can times by minus 6 also, the 6 cancel, minus minus become plus, can. Then times by minus 6 also can. Shorter way, shorter way. Okay, now we try. We try now question B lah. Now, first of all, before you start on it, this, how come this minus is here, center, this one minus on top? Remember, minus or remember this, I want you to remember this for you to understand. The x is at the center is the same as x is on the top. So if minus at the center is the same as minus on the top. Understand the concept, okay? If it's at the center, it's the same as the top. Don't put at the bottom lah, okay? But you get what I'm saying, right? Okay, you try question B. B for boy. Sophia, you okay not, Sophia? You have changed through the years. The only one that doesn't change is who? Is me. Hey, facing hey, Ian, are you there? Hey, I can see your head here, Ian. Hey, wake up. You're on the piano. I don't know whether you can see, huh? Hold on. Well done, Mr. Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman, can you do A also lah? A while we wait for the rest. I know A is not challenging for you lah. But you're doing quite well, eh? You used to score close to full marks, Abdul Rahman? Yes. A little bit. Cannot hear, huh? Yes. Mr. Asan also, yes, well done. Hey, what about the rest lah? I feel that the rest all tidur already. Hey, come on lah, come on, wake up lah. I don't know what happened to Shafika. Shafika is outside in the dark. You look at her, she's in the dark, all alone. And now see, Sophia says, I'm sorry, I cannot show you even my eyes also can show. I can only show you my head. Well done, Sophia. Well done. Congratulations. Hey, Shafika, you look very scary lah. Where are you ni? Inside the car. Inside what? Lift ke apa? Rahman, okay. Let's see, Rahman, Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman, you got it correct. Very good. Okay. All right. For those of you who do not know how to do, question is very, very easy. Very easy. Okay. So how do I do this one? Inshira, do you get an Inshira? Have you done? Can do not Inshira? Of course, you cannot do. You look very ngantuk lah. You look as if you're going to go to sleep already. Okay. You can times by -4 lah. Okay, we use the book method lah. The book method, they have shortcut lah. They take the 4 and then they times by -4. Okay, well done, Asan. Well done. So it's all this is too easy for you guys. Sorry. Come this one ni tak mau ni. So you times by -4. Okay. Negative times negative will become positive. Then you cancel the 4. Now what you're left? You're left with x. And if you do the same thing there, times by -4, negative become positive. 4 times 4, 16. 16 over 5. Finish. Halas. 16 over 5. But I cannot write it down. I hope you can see what I'm teaching here. Okay, very simple. You times by -4, you get rid of the 4, and then minus become plus. So you must times by -4 here. 4 times 4, 16. Minus times minus plus, 16 over 5. Finish. Okay, don't need to do the other one. Okay, but your answers, those of you who said 9, your answer is correct. I'm giving you actually the more difficult ones. Okay, before we go further. Baru 9 o'clock. Now. Can you solve this? Okay, solve it. Can you see the equation? Well done, Abdul Rahman. No longer challenging for him. Hmm? 9 o'clock. Abdul Rahman, you got my phone number, huh? Okay, my phone number is here. Can you just take a photo of your working and show me? You send to this number. Okay, this is my number, okay? I want to see, do you do the advanced method or do you do the long method? Can you take a photo of your, do you do working? You do working, you write? Or you do mentally? You don't write, you do mental. Mentally? No, you write, right? Can you take a photo of it? You send me lah. 9773. No, the worst thing is I didn't do working, but I just checked the answer at the back. I hope not, huh? Hey, let's see. Hey, you're supposed to find the value of M. Hey, I wrote on my laptop. Take a photo of the laptop lah. notes. Okay, you take a screenshot lah, send me. Someone have just sent me something. Can I spot for you then? Oh, sorry. My son have just watched Spider-Man. Okay. See, some students. Okay, let me see. Here. Yeah, okay. And you must find out what's M lah. Sophia, very good try, Sophia, but the answer is not correct. Asan, congratulations. Okay, I'm going to show you now. I do not know whether you use the fast or slow method, but I assume Asan used the slow method, and that's why I want to see whether do you use the fast method. So what to do down here, boys and girls? Look, I go in times by 2. So I bracket it up, I put 2. Now what happens after that? This one becomes 6, correct? So let's see if I write like that. 3 over 2 is equals to x over 2. Let's say. Now I don't even need to have the bottom. This means if these two are the same and they're equal, that means the top is equal to this. So that means it's x equals to 3 lah. You get what I'm saying now? If this is the same as this and this is equal, that means the top is also equal. So what am I saying? I'm saying this. Okay, we times this first. 2 times 3, 6. Minus 2 times 8, 16m. So watch what I'm doing. Now I'm not going to forget about this bottom. Bottom is 6, 6. That means 6 minus 16 must be equals to 5m plus 1. Do you get this concept or not? Now straight away from here, I drop my denominator. Why I drop? Because this is equal to this. 6 is equals to 6. That means 6 minus 16m must be equals to 5m plus 1. Abdul Rahman, do you do this method like that? You don't know what I'm talking about. You all don't know what I'm talking about. Now I drop my denominator. Why I drop my denominator? I repeat. This is equals to this. So 6 is equals to 6. 6 minus 16m must be equals to 5m minus 1. So I just write 6 minus 16m equals to 5m minus 1. If you don't get it, please send me a message. I say you don't get it, I'll give you other examples. Now bring this over that side, you get 21m. Minus 16, bring over, become plus 16. Plus 16 plus 5 is 21m. Bring this one over down there, 6 minus 1, 5. You want to find what's m? Okay. You divide by 21, divide by 21, 5 over 21. Now some of you may have a problem with this concept. So how to explain to you? Very simple. Okay, I give you next one. You tell me now what's the answer for, hold on. For x. Okay. Is the answer for x2 or not? This is equal to this. 7 equals 7, so x must be equal to lah. So down here now, if you have now like that, example like that. Okay, this one look very complex. So I just want to show you 7 equals 7. So x minus 1 must be equals to 2 lah, because there's x equals to, now x minus 1 equals to 2. So I write x minus 1 equals to 2. So what is x? I bring this over the side, x becomes 3. Oh, like that, can do like that. Can do like that. I drop the number 7. If you don't drop number 7, it's very, very complex, So down here, I drop the denominator. Remember, you can do that. Okay. This one you will learn at Sec 3 lah. Something like that. I'm just showing you an example. Okay, this one means this is equal to this. Okay. Okay, we move on. We try this one. Now we try a little bit difficult one. It's not so difficult. Can you try solve the equation? Y over 5 minus 6 equals to y minus 3 over 2. Clue. Put 6 over 1. Combine it with the 5 later. And then you get, you try. Cik Pia, bangun Cik Pia. First dia tunjuk one whole face. Then she wear the niqab. Come back to the light. Come back to the siratul mustaqim. Yeah. Yeah. Sophia. Rahana. Are you there? Can do not, Rahana? Sophia, so sorry, that's not the answer. You're giving. No, that's not answer. It's a whole number. Abdul Rahman, I get a different answer from you. It'd be good if you can send me your working, Mr. Abdul Rahman. Come on, Abdul Rahman. You'll be getting straight score now. Congratulations to Mr. Hassan. Remember, the answer is an integer, a whole number, negative, positive, or even zero. But it's not zero. Come on. Hassan? Good, I'm well. Do you do the method I showed just now? Or you? Yes. Okay, in 2 minutes, I need to show you because you are taking a little bit too much time. Hassan, have you seen Spider-Man? You like Spider-Man? You know he's a jinn, eh? A human being cannot do such thing. He's a jinn. Of course, he's a cool jinn. Hayan. Try Hayan. I can't see you. Shafi, very close, Shafi. Quite close, but you forgot to divide. Something happened, Shafi. Come on, Shafi. Cannot be ready, Shafi. Right, Heather. All right. We are going to start very soon. Huh? First, what do? We want to make this one fraction. When we make it as one fraction, then we can do magic. Shafika, your same answer is Shafi'i lah. Yeah, now we are brother and sister. Okay, now watch down here. I put as 6/1. Then I need to times by 5, right? Then you get over 5. So I must times by 5 also. What do I get? I get 30. So down here now, I'm going to change this now. Please don't misunderstand. I'm showing you down here at the bottom. Down here is 6/1. How to have the same denominator? 5 times 5 times 5. 6 times 5, 30. So what is your working down here? Very simple lah. Y over 5 minus 30. Why minus 30? I already explained below. Can you see? You want to make the denominator 5. The denominator was originally 1. So you have to times 5. You times 5 at the bottom, you have to times 5 at the top here. 6 times 5, 30. Then this is equals to what? This is equals to 5m plus 1. Now the next step is I want to make the denominator the same. Why? I want to drop the denominator. So I times by 5. I times by 6. Sorry. Bracket it up, times by 6 on top also. This one I got a times by 5. Why times by 5 get 30? That's 6 times by 30, 5 times 6, 30. All right. So this one you must times by 5. Notice that there's equal sign. This is equals to this. Now here 30, 30. Okay. On top must be, this one must be equal to this lah. So now I drop the denominator. I times it. 6 times y, 6y. 6 times 30 minus 180 equals to 25 m. 25m. 25m. 5 times 1 is 5. So what to do? Why is the y m? Allahu Akbar. I took the wrong number. Hey, you all didn't correct me. I took this one from bottom. I took this one from the top lah. You all just buat bodoh ni. You say let me suffer. Hey, come on lah guys, please. We are tired lah. Please lah, don't disturb us with maths question. Don't be like that lah. Your parents send you here. Say my parents are down here now. Why my history? So I was wondering what was happening. Hasan, how come you didn't tell me, Hasan? I also am tired lah. Please don't ask me to do such thing. Okay, down here. So times by 5 times by 5. So this one is 5y. See, I didn't realize, no? Okay. 5 times y, 5y. Allah. 5y. 5 times 3, 15. Now, can you see? Top is equals to top. Is it correct or wrong? I'm now correct, right? You bring the 5y over 6y equals to something is wrong. Something is wrong somewhere. Hasan, what did I do wrong, Hasan? 30. Allahu Akbar. I don't need to times. Hold on. I times by 2. Okay, let me just double check. Some, see where did I go wrong. Okay, where did I go wrong? Let me see. We go here lah. Times 10. Why times 10? Okay, you take the Allahu Akbar. Okay, so sorry, boys and girls. I took the wrong denominator again. Allahu Akbar. I must be taking 2 lah, not 6. That's why I was thinking, how come I cannot do it this time? Okay, down here, right? So now we times by salah already lah, salah. Okay. But are you all awake or not? This one down here is 5, right? You must times 2. So this one is 2. This one you must times by 5. So it's correct that times by 5. So 5y minus 15 is correct. So I was wondering how come this number is so big. But no excuses. I'm a little bit embarrassed now. 2 times y, 2y. I now understand why I need to wear the niqab now. 2 times 30, 60. Okay, now you bring the 2y over. 5y minus 2y is 3y. Bring the 15 over, become plus 15, you get minus 45. Now then correct. Then y equals to 45 divided by 3 minus 15. Answer, write it this way. Okay, because your school will ask you to write it this way. Don't write it like that. You're working, you can do all like that. The last part will give you answer like that. The same thing. Minus 15 equals to y. Y equals minus 15, same thing. So I hope it's okay. Look, I make careless errors down here. I go and look at the wrong question, please. I'm so sorry about that. So we try the next one. Can we try solving this one? I hope by the end of this lesson, you can do all this stuff lah. Okay, ready and go. Okay, so it's much easier. Abdul Rahman, well done. Hassan, mistake. Something is wrong, Hassan. Check in. Abdul Rahman, you got it right. And can you start working on this, Abdul Rahman? You try now. While the rest are, you try to see whether you can solve it. Oh, cannot. You know, yeah, can. Okay, the rest we give you another 2 minutes more. Well done, Shafi'i. Congratulations. I don't know how you get your stuff there so fast, Abdul Rahman. Hassan, well done. Okay. What about the rest? Hassan, you can try also. Shafi'i also can. No, Hassan. Hassan, you can try, and Shafi'i can. It's not Shafika, well done. If those who finish can go try the problem sum. If you can't get, I'll show you how to do this one. Abdul Rahman, I don't think your answer is correct. Abdul Rahman, your answer is wrong. Wait. Let me check. A little bit complex. Okay, I will run through. I do not know whether the rest okay. Okay, very simple. You make it one fraction. So what we do times by 4 times by 3. You say it times by 3. Say it times by 4. This one no need to do anything. The 3 on this side, just combine it here. So what do you get? You get 4y plus 3y minus 6 over 12 is equals to 3. So what to do? These two can combine. You can get 7y minus 6 over 12 is equals to 3. Now get rid of the 12. How to get rid of 12? Times 12 on the left side. And then times 12 on the right hand side. So what's happened? You get 36 here. This one cancel are gone. You get 7y minus 6. You bring this over, you get minus 6 become plus 6. So 7y equals to 42. And y equals to 42 divided by 7 equals to 6. Okay. Okay, maybe this example you do as homework lah. I think you look a little bit tired already. So you do as homework. You think through carefully. Okay, but I don't think the answer Abdul Rahman you gave is correct. Let's see. Okay. Oh, you do this one. Hold on. We will try basic to highest, okay? I think let us try now question number D first. D. Do you know how to do question number D? You try. What is A? They ask you to solve. So you must find out what A is. Congratulations, Mama Hassan. Well done. Very fast, huh? Oh, Rahman also first. Well done. Okay, both of you try question F then. The left try D first. Inshira, well done. Zahira. You give the rest 1 more minute. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. All right, now I'll show. Okay, Rahman, well done. Yeah, I did it mentally. I got the same answer. You let us see whether we are correct. So this is how to do. Change this to mixed number improper fraction. So a over 4 is equals to 5 over 2. Now, if you times this by 2, it's okay times by 2 times by 2. No? So you get a over 4. Okay, you get a over 4 is equals to 10 over 4. So equal is 4, this is 4. So this must be 10. A is equals to 10. Finish. Therefore, A is equals to 10. Okay, we move on to the next one. Those Hassan and Abdul Rahman, you can do the F, but for the rest, they will have to move on. Okay, now for the rest, can we try question C? Hassan can do no? Question. Oh, Hassan, you got answer already. Abdul Rahman got answer. Okay, sorry, both you got. So everyone do question 2. Don't do F. Do not do F. Question number 2 and go. Okay, I got it right. Well done, Abdul Rahman. Well done. Abdul Rahman, you try question D then. Also. Inshira and Zahira almost there. Answer is wrong, but very close, very close. Okay, in 1 minute's time we'll go. Well done, Hassan. Hassan, can you try D also? Okay, let's see whether. No, okay, I forgot what's my answer. Yeah, correct, correct. Well done, Mr. Abdul Rahman. Not bad, huh? Hassan, you got it correct. Hassan, this time. Not this time, you got it correct. Okay, I'm going to show question number C first. Those who have finished, please be patient here. Let's see how do you get the answer, Mr. Ian. Well done, here. Congratulations. Okay. So we do number C first. Those who have finished number C, you can do D. Okay, those who have already done D, please be patient. So down here now, what to do? You bring the -7 over. So what do you get? You get 10, right? Down here you get 10. Why? -7 you bring over, come +7. Now 10. And then this is 2A over 5, right? So now you times by 5. When you times by 5, you cancel the 5. So you times 5 here become 50. So 2A equals to 50. What is 1A? What is A? 50 divided by 2. A equals to 25. Okay. Okay, this one now is, okay, I just show very quickly. Bring the 5 over. Bring the 5 over. Minus 5. 8 minus 5 get 3. Okay. Minus 5b over 3. Get rid of the 3 times 3 times 3. The right side cancel, cancel. No more 3. So 3 times 3, 9. So 9 equals to 5b minus 5b. Or minus 5b equals to 9. What is b? B is equals to 9 divided by 5, but negative. That's it. Okay, Abdul Rahman got it right, well done. And Asan also got it right. Okay, 9 over 5, but you need to have your minus, Asan. Okay, because this one is minus 5b. All right, we do one last question now. Can or not? One last question. Okay, we do question number B lah. Question B. Come on, one last question you can tahan. Come on. Graduate. At least if you are sleeping halfway, at least you do the last one. Not so bad. You graduated. I will do it mentally. Ready and challenge and go, and go. Not so fast. Who is that? Raman. Now, okay, not so fast. Well done, Mr. Abdul Rahman. Well done, huh? What about the rest? Inshura, sorry. Close, but not close now. Your answer is wrong. It's a positive number, not negative. So how to do it? 1 minute more, 1 minute more. Never mind, we go slightly over, it's okay. Because today is a little bit slow. I realize I need to get interesting articles for you guys. Because sometimes you get too dreary, you do over and over. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do if you do not know how to do in 1 minute's time. Half a minute, right? All right, easy, Now, I bring this over that side. And I bring this over this side. So I have, what happened? Minus 7 become plus 7. 9 plus 7, 16 on this side. And then I bring this one over that side. Become plus 4p over 3. So how to do now? What's the next thing? Very simple. You times this by 3. You cancel the 3 lah. You times by 3, you get 48. So that means how many p? 4p equals to 48. Now I just change places. P is 48 divided by 4 equals to 12. Alas, finish. Okay. Oh, you look very tired. Abdul Rahman, you are okay, You look okay. Let me see. Look at your faces. Oh, gitu. Asan, okay. Hayan, I cannot see your face, Hayan. Sophia. Sophia, the head is singing. See, Inshira, you look like you got a lot of problem lah. I know the problem is Zahira. Zahira. Just joking. Hey, Rayana, you okay, Rayana? Okay, we are all meet each other next week. Okay, I try to make sure I share stuff, but I'm in the middle of actually a production, documentary. I'm going to have this activity that if you all want to earn some money, those of you who want, it is actually called Pidato. Pidato, that means you speak impromptu. So long as you participate in this and we will record, you can get $20, which is actually giving a speech, just impromptu, and then there'll be like a debate and all in Malay. If you are interested, do send me, tell me, okay? When is it? It's 31st December, the very last day. it will be held in the Bukit Batok Singapore Learner Tuition Center. That's in Bukit Batok Central. So if you're interested, I'm making actually a prototype video so that to help the Malays who's losing the Malay language to come out with exciting, interesting activity. So those of you who are interested, each person who's willing to talk, even if your Malay is not good, never mind, you just do, you will get $20 if you want to. Do message me if you're interested, okay? And thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How many dollars? $20 lah. Shafi, you're interested? This is the thing. Okay. All right. Assalamualaikum.